In this video, we're taking a look at this AOSU security system. Now, this is the 4-pack and the doorbell set here. And we're gonna go through the full install of the cameras, how it looks, and what you can expect from the app. Now, I am not sponsored by this company. I would love to be sponsored by this company, but they have not reached out yet. So if you watch this video, I love a sponsorship. I own a company. I help people get these installed. This is what I'm doing right here is I'm showing the drilling part. It gives you a little like guide here, and you'll see it in a second, of where it gives you the different things to aim for when you're drilling your holes so the screws go in easier. Now I just go in and out really quick just to at least give it a starter hole, and then I screw them all in here. So overall, if you're looking to do this on your own, it is generally easy, but again, it's a service. I provide a service. I go in and install this for people so they don't have to climb up on the ladders and do all the techie troubleshooting. This is the bracket that you mount the camera to, but overall, it's a great product. It's very easy to use. The camera quality is amazing. The doorbell, I was super pumped with when I set that up for the client here and got it all set up, and it's solar, so you're not paying anything for this product monthly. There's no subscription, there's no charging, there's no electricity run. It's all solar generated. You plug in the main part into the router. Here you are. This is what the app looks like, being able to rotate it back and forth manually. And then there's also the AI tracking, so it tracks you as you're walking through the yard. Now this is an optional thing that you can turn on or turn off. But again, as you walk through the yard, or somebody that you want to be able to track walks through your yard, the cameras themselves will pick up on it and kind of just trace you back and forth as you're walking, and it'll be able to trace everything that you're doing. So I love this product. I work with a lot of people and recommend it. So here we are installing the doorbell. They give you, again, a little tracer pad to like tape on there so that way you're drilling your holes accurately, and then you can peel that off, and again, just a quick in, out, and then put the screws in. So doorbell is loud. It gives you a little chime inside the house. I can't say enough great things about this product. I'd highly recommend it. If you're looking at this, I hope this helped you make a buying decision and you enjoy your new cameras and your new doorbell.